It was just, I want you to be happy, and if you are happy following your dream, we will support you until the day that we understand that it's not going to happen.
You must have sacrificed a lot to become a professional footballer. What sort of things did you have to do so?
Yeah, I think when you want to be driven in any career in the path that you go down, you've got to make a lot of sacrifices. There's sacrifices you've got to do in your nutrition, your food, the drink that you take.
I think the most things that you sacrifice, I think is a sacrifice, because this was my dream, was something that I want to be in the future. So I think I never see that as a sacrifice.
I think just that, time with friends and family, because I really had to focus on my dreams, and that was to become a footballer.
I see that as something that you have to go through to have your dream come true.
And what motivated you to become a pro?
So all I wanted to do was play football and play for Man United. So that was a motivation already. Already from a young age.
First of all, the love of the game, because I love to play football, and I always wanted to be successful in football.
The journey, I've come so far, worked the whole life. Parents as well have helped me throughout it, so that's something I couldn't throw away.
It was my dream. And it's all about that, and that's something that I have to be thankful for my family, that they have seen all this by being my dream and make my dream come true, not something that they could take a profit in the future, It was just, I want you to be happy, and if you are happy following your dream, we will support you until the day that we understand that it's not going to happen.